Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another Talk Tuesday video, and today we're going to be talking all about deep conditioners and hair masks. Over the years working behind the chair, I've been exposed to an infinite amount of products, and I wanted to narrow it down to a few products that I personally use in the salon, products that I recommend to my clients, and products that I even use here in my household. The goal for today is to let you in on a couple products that are going to change your life. So if smooth, silky, healthy hair is what you're after, then stay tuned because we're going to get there. For today's video, I wanted to give you a variety of price points, so we're going to go from high-end products to more affordable alternatives. Up first, we have Olaplex No3. Guys, the Olaplex line is absolutely amazing, and Olaplex No3 is no different. So the Olaplex line has been known for its reconstructive properties. When Olaplex first came out, it became really popular in the salon because it was an additive that you could use for your color services or your lightening services, where it would keep the integrity of the hair and it wouldn't allow it to break. And so eventually they came out with products that we were using in the salon as stylists, and then their retail line. This happens to be part of their retail line, and I highly, highly recommend for anyone who has damaged hair to give this a shot. This stuff will strengthen and repair your hair. What I really like is that you get immediate feedback. So after one wash, your hair feels really soft, it feels really silky, and the way to use this is extremely easy. And for most of these, it's going to be the same process. So you want to shampoo your hair. After shampooing your hair, you want to towel dry it. And then you want to apply a generous amount of Olaplex No3. And then you're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes are up, you want to rinse your hair out. And then you want to style it as usual. Now this bottle is 3.3 ounces and it retails for $28. They do have a larger version, which is 8.5 ounces, and that one retails for $56. You can find Olaplex at Sephora or at any salon that uses Olaplex products. Up next, we have the Ouai Treatment Mask. This stuff here, guys, is like magic potion. Just like Olaplex, after one use, you will notice that your hair will be really smooth and really soft. So to use the Ouai Treatment Mask, again, you want to shampoo your hair, you want to towel dry it, apply a generous amount, and you want to leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse it out and style as usual. Now this tube is 3.4 ounces, and I couldn't seem to find a larger version. This retails for $32, and you can find it on theouai.com, you can find it at Sephora, you can find it at Ulta, and if you're in LA, you can find it at Namie's. That's where I bought mine. Now up next, we got the Mohair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. Now this product here is what I most often use in the salon. Our salon is a Mohair salon, so throughout my videos you're probably going to see a lot of Mohair just because it's more accessible to me, but aside from that, it actually really works, and that's one thing I really like about this line. Most of my clients are color clients, and so this product here is actually color safe. But again, what I really like about these products is that immediate feedback. So after you use it and you let it sit in the hair for about 10 minutes, you rinse it off, you get that immediate softness and silkiness to the hair that I really enjoy, and I know my clients really enjoy as well. So this here comes in a 12-ounce bottle, and this retails for $18. However, Mohair is a salon exclusive product. Unfortunately, you won't be able to find it at Sephora or Ulta or any drugstore. So up next, we have the Trader Joe's Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Hair Mask. This product here I actually stumbled across. I was on one of my many trips to Trader Joe's, and I happened to be walking down the aisles and I saw this and I just had to grab it. So this product moisturizes, revitalizes dry, damaged hair, it deep conditions for soft, silky hair, and it's also vitamin E infused. Now vitamin E is known for anti-aging properties and preserving the longevity of hair color. So that is awesome. Aside from that, I don't have color treated hair, but my husband does, and he's blonde. And so I bought this for him, and he tried it, and he absolutely loved it. Then I gave it a shot. Even though I don't have colored hair, I still went ahead and tried it, and oh my gosh, your hair feels super, super soft immediately after using it, and it smells absolutely fantastic. Actually, I forgot to mention that all of these products smell fantastic. Now this you can only find at Trader Joe's, however, it is only $3.99. I know, it's absolutely amazing. So it does come in a 5.1 tube. It doesn't come in any other sizes, but honestly, for $3.99, you can stock up on a few. And last but not least, we have the Proclaim Coconut Oil Anti-Breakage Conditioner. Now, I do realize that this is not a hair mask. However, there is a hair mask version. And the only reason why it's not being featured on this video is because I have not had a chance to get my hands on it due to COVID. So this here was also a accidental find. I was on my way to the salon and I was going to do my best friend's hair, and we wanted to do pastel colors. Now I was using the Mohair Crazy colors, and so they're really rich and pigmented, and so I needed a white base to dilute them. And I knew that I didn't have a white conditioner at the salon, so on my way in I stopped at Sally Beauty and I was just looking for any conditioner that would have a white base so that I can see the true color of the direct dyes. So I asked one of the employees there and she directed me to this. And I thought it was kind of interesting because it claimed to be like an anti-breakage conditioner. And so I went ahead and used it, and after I let the color process and I rinsed it out, the hair felt super soft and it smells super yummy. The next day my friend asked me what I had used on her hair because her hair felt super soft, and then that's when I knew I had gold on my hands. So again, I went and bought it, and as you can tell, this is much loved in our household. It is not a deep conditioner, however, it does say to leave it between 2 to 5 minutes. I do like it. As soon as I'm able to get my hands on the actual deep conditioner, I'm going to give that a try. But for now, I thought I'd throw this in because it is such a great buy, and it's also super affordable. So I was able to get my hands on the liter, and this is $8.99. They do have a smaller version, which is 15 ounces, and that only retails for $5.69. The deep conditioner comes in a 12-ounce tub, and that retails for $6.99. Again, I haven't tried that, but as soon as I'm able to get my hands on it, I'm going to give it a shot just because I love this product so much. And there you have it, guys. Those were my top hair masks that I've used to date. If you're looking for a conditioner that's going to leave your hair soft, silky, smooth, and keep it healthy, then give these products a try. Let me know how you liked them. Let me know what worked for you. And if you already have a favorite that you want to share with me, go ahead and drop it down in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have a great day, stay safe, stay healthy. I will see you next Tuesday for our next Talk Tuesday. Bye.